Win for college athletes at the Supreme Court. In a unanimous ruling, the court said the NCAA cannot prohibit schools from providing athletes with certain forms of education-related benefits, such as paid postgraduate internships, scholarships for graduate school, or free laptops. Players argue the NCAA's position violated antitrust laws. We have reaction this evening from a former college athlete and coach who called today's decision a game changer. Marissa Sines has that story.
Touchdown! The floater for two!
Basketball swishing through hoops or cleats ripping through turf. It brings together millions, collecting even more in cash.
Touchdown, Ohio State!
And the first case the United States Supreme Court has heard involving the NCAA in over 3 decades, the court unanimously ruled against the association's rules that prevent student athletes from benefiting financially from the money they help bring in.
It's a good thing. I think it's a great starting point. You know, when you talk about allowing players to benefit from the work that they put in, the money that they bring into the university.
Josh Perry is a former Ohio State linebacker turned NFL player, describing firsthand the struggles of balancing the student-athlete life.
For some players, it's tough coming onto campus and trying to locate a laptop that you can use, trying to make sure that they have all the things that they need so they can be successful as students and athletes also.
The current NCAA rule allows colleges to offer athletes no more than the cost of tuition. The athletes who fought the association, citing antitrust laws, deemed the rules unfair.
Things are changing. I mean, they just acknowledged basically that the NCAA is a monopoly, which I agree with 100%, and how they've been able to take advantage of this student-athlete economy that's existed only to benefit universities and the NCAA up to this point.
NCAA President Mark Emmert telling ESPN, quote, even though the decision does not directly address name, image, and likeness, the NCAA remains committed to supporting NIL benefits for student athletes. Adding, quote, additionally, we remain committed to working with Congress to chart a path forward, which is the point the Supreme Court expressly stated in its ruling. Hall of Fame coach and former OSU coach John Cooper backing the ruling, saying there's no reason athletes shouldn't be set up for success.
People don't realize how many hours they put in, you know, with the athletic part of it. So anything we can do like that, buy them computers, get them tutors, whatever, I'm all for it.
Perry says this is a good step in the right direction for athletes who bring fans and money, but still minuscule compared to the big picture.
But the bigger deal, which still is out there looming, is the name, image, and likeness.
Acknowledging that the line between professional and amateur sports is not as black and white as it once was.
It is. It's starting to blur the lines a little bit, but the lines have been blurred. I think this line was blurred only in favor of people around the athletes and not necessarily for the athletes, and now we get to see some of that benefit for the people making the money.
Marissa Sines, 3 News.